No, I love you more. No, I love you more. No, you. No, I love you more. Hello. Hi, Fast. Today, gonna cook some chicken wings. 5 easy steps, quick, cheap, delicious and healthy. Obviously the first thing you're going to need is chicken wings. You get them from your local supermarket for about £2 and there's enough there to do 2 people, especially if you're going to add chips and or celery sticks. Next you're going to need some cayenne chili pepper, my special ingredient, some baking powder. That'll help the skin come very crispy after it comes out of the oven. Next you're going to need some low calorie oil spray to avoid using oil. Then what you want to do is add the oil, add a 1/4 cup of the baking powder, add cayenne chili pepper to taste. As you can see, I like quite a lot of it. Add pepper also to taste and the tiniest amount of salt. Now get your oven tray. Ideally use one like this. It allows the airflow to go underneath and cook the chicken more evenly. Then add to the tray and put it in the oven. As the chicken is cooking, we can now make the sauce. Use whatever sauce is your favourite and has the right amount of spice for you. Next, add a little dash of vinegar. You can also add some honey. I like to use a little bit. If you would like to add butter, get your favourite bowl. Today, we will again be using the low calorie spray instead. Lastly, and again it's optional, a teaspoon of Chilli Relish or jam. Go away Carolina Reaper, not today. Finally, toss the wings with the sauce and that's us done.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.